on the motorbike.
Oh, my hand!
On the way to fishing.
I got it! I caught it! And on our way to go hunt some fish, and we caught many worms. So to feed the fish and then eat them. Yes, very nice.
Dreh mal
I can. It's an iPhone.
That's our way.
And we have our dog with us. Yippee! Bye bye. Not a fish.
Fish. Hello.
Are you filming me? Doing work? Hard work? Okay guys, first time.
We got a jackfruit.
And it's he was just throwing it at me and I was catching it, and they have like those spikes, so it's like pretty.
It's sticky somehow.
Yeah,
It's like first time seeing and holding a jackfruit.
And it's pretty soft actually. Like you can push it.
ASMR? No, you don't hear anything.
But it smells really good. Smell it. It smells really nice.
It reminds me of something, but I don't
like
know
sweet
what.
and sour. I don't know.
But it's funny to touch it because
Yeah.
it's like spiky and a bit sticky.
And
It's
soft.
fun. And now he's carrying it in his mouth. Nop is crazy.
You want to catch the other one?
No, not really.
But it hurt. I'm not gonna catch another one.
Like coming up with the craziest things. Wow.
Okay. Bam, bam.
Just surf down.
Okay.
Or I would get up and like finish my readings.